Assalamu alaikum. Today we're talking about the Law Graduate Assessment Test, the Law GAT. This test is your gateway to higher legal studies, scholarships, and a professional career. Clearing the Law GAT proves your readiness for the next step in law, validating your hard work. In this guide, we'll break down the syllabus, focus on what matters, and share strategies to help you succeed. Let's get started and turn your anxiety into excitement for your legal future. Constitutional law is the backbone of our legal system, shaping the very foundation upon which all other laws are built. It defines the structure, powers, and functions of the main organs of the state, ensuring that no one branch becomes too powerful. Understanding constitutional law is not just about memorizing articles. It's about grasping the principles that protect our rights and maintain the balance of power in Pakistan. This subject is a key part of the Law GAT, and a strong command over it can make a significant difference in your exam performance. The questions often test not just rote knowledge, but your ability to apply constitutional concepts to real-life scenarios. Focus on understanding the structure of government, the distribution of powers among the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and the fundamental rights guaranteed to every citizen, especially those outlined in Articles 8 to 28. These articles form the heart of our constitutional protections, covering basic freedoms, equality, and the right to fair treatment. Know the specific roles and powers of the President, Prime Minister, Parliament, and Judiciary. Understanding how these institutions interact and check each other is crucial for both the exam and your future legal practice. Study landmark cases like Azma Jilani and Al Jihad Trust, focusing on the main legal principles and how these cases have shaped constitutional interpretation in Pakistan. These cases are often referenced in exams and provide practical examples of constitutional law in action. Make concise notes on important articles and case law takeaways. Summarize key points, create mind maps, and use flashcards to reinforce your understanding. This will help you quickly revise before the exam and retain complex information more effectively. Remember, conceptual clarity here will help you tackle any MCQ confidently. The more you understand the logic behind constitutional provisions, the better you'll perform, not just in exams, but as a future legal professional. This section covers international law and jurisprudence, both concept-heavy. For international law, focus on the UN's structure, the Security Council, and the International Court of Justice's role. In jurisprudence, know the main legal theories, Austin's positivism, Bentham's utilitarianism, and Kelson's pure theory. For Islamic jurisprudence, understand the hierarchy of sources, Quran, Sunnah, Ijma, and Qiyas. Remember the major Islamic schools of law and their founders. Stick to core concepts and definitions for quick, effective revision. The Code of Civil Procedure, often referred to as the backbone of civil litigation, lays down the detailed process for handling civil cases in Indian courts. It provides a systematic framework that ensures every civil dispute is resolved in a fair, transparent, and orderly manner. Understanding this code is essential for anyone aspiring to practice law or simply wishing to comprehend how justice is delivered in civil matters. The life cycle of a civil suit is a step-by-step journey. It begins with the institution of the suit, where the plaintiff files a plaint. This is followed by the issuance of summons to the defendant, who then submits a written statement in response. The court then frames the issues that need to be decided, and after hearing both sides, delivers its judgment. Each stage is crucial and has its own set of rules and procedures. Jurisdiction is a foundational concept. Knowing which court can hear a case is vital. There are three main types: territorial jurisdiction, which relates to the geographical area; pecuniary jurisdiction, which depends on the monetary value involved; and subject matter jurisdiction, which is about the nature of the dispute. The principle of res judicata prevents the same issue from being tried again, ensuring finality in litigation. Certain orders in the code are especially important. Order 7 deals with the plaint, which is the foundation of any civil suit. Order 8 covers the written statement, the defendant's reply. Orders relating to appeals guide how decisions can be challenged in higher courts. Mastering these orders is key to understanding the procedural flow. It's also important to distinguish between appeal, review, and revision. An appeal is a request to a higher court to change a decision. A review is when the same court re-examines its own judgment. Revision is the supervisory power of a higher court to correct errors in lower court proceedings. Each serves a unique purpose in the judicial process. Visual aids like flowcharts can be incredibly helpful. They break down complex procedures into simple, easy-to-understand steps, making it easier to remember the sequence and interrelation of various stages in a civil case. Adopting a topic-based approach to your studies will help you focus on one aspect at a time, making your preparation more efficient and organized. By mastering each topic individually, you'll build a strong foundation for understanding the entire civil procedure. Criminal law in the GAT covers the Pakistan Penal Code and the Code of Criminal Procedure. Start with general explanations and exceptions, key defenses and definitions. Focus on major offenses, homicide, hurt, theft, extortion, robbery, and their essential ingredients. For procedure, know the classes of criminal courts, FIR process, arrest, bail, and trial types. Use real-life scenarios to understand concepts. Practice MCQs to sharpen your application skills. Understanding distinctions and processes is crucial for this section. The law of evidence and professional ethics are vital for every lawyer. Grasp the basics: relevancy versus admissibility, burden of proof, types of evidence, and confessions. Know the concept of estoppel and key rules from the Kanun-e-Shahadat order. For professional ethics, focus on the duties of advocates to the court, clients, and public. Read the canons of professional conduct. Most questions are straightforward and common sense based. One thorough reading and clear understanding will secure easy marks here. लॉ जैट में कामयाबी सिर्फ रट्टा लगाने से नहीं मिलती। ये समझना जरूरी है कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स को गहराई से समझना होगा। जब आप किसी टॉपिक को समझ लेते हैं, तो आप उसे किसी भी एंगल से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, चाहे सवाल कितना भी ट्रिकी हो। इसलिए अपनी तैयारी को रोटे लर्निंग तक सीमित मत रखें। हर कॉन्सेप्ट को लॉजिकली समझने की कोशिश करें। अपनी तैयारी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए कंसाइज नोट्स बनाएं और माइंड मैप्स या फ्लो चार्ट्स का इस्तेमाल करें। ये टूल्स आपको रिवीजन के वक्त जल्दी से पूरा सिलेबस कवर करने में मदद करते हैं। हर टॉपिक के की पॉइंट्स लिख लें, ताकि आपको लास्ट मोमेंट पर सिर्फ इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें देखनी पड़ें। विजुअल एड्स जैसे फ्लो चार्ट्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स को याद रखने में आसान बनाते हैं। जितने ज्यादा पास्ट पेपर्स और MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे, उतना ही आप अपनी वीक एरियाज भी फोकस कर सकते हैं। प्रैक्टिस से आपको एग्जाम का पैटर्न समझ आता है और आप अपनी स्पीड भी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। हर गलती को एक लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी समझें और उस पर काम करें। रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ता है। जब भी कोई सवाल गलत हो, उस कॉन्सेप्ट को दोबारा और समझें कि आपने कहाँ गलती की। सिर्फ आंसर देकर आगे न बढ़ें। कॉन्सेप्ट को तब तक रिवाइज करें जब तक वो बिल्कुल क्लियर न हो जाए। इस तरह आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे और आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा। तैयारी के दौरान अपने टाइम को सही तरह मैनेज करें। एक रियलिस्टिक स्टडी स्केड्यूल बनाएं, ब्रेक्स लें और अपनी हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें। हेल्थी स्नैक्स खाएं, पानी पिएं और थोड़ा वॉक या मेडिटेशन भी करें। पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट रखना बहुत जरूरी है। स्ट्रेस को कंट्रोल में रखें और अपनी गोल्स पर फोकस करें। याद रखें, आप अब तक बहुत कुछ अचीव कर चुके हैं। अपने आप पर भरोसा रखें और हर दिन अपनी प्रोग्रेस को अप्रिशिएट करें। सेल्फ बिलीफ आपको मुश्किल वक्त में आगे बढ़ने की हिम्मत देता है। आपकी मेहनत रंग लाएगी। लॉ गैट में अपना बेस्ट दें और अपनी पहचान बनाएं। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, ये आपको वक्त चमकने का।